Would you like to streamline your invoice processing workflow by reducing or eliminating time-consuming manual operations, which is inefficient and error-prone? RICOH has a better way. RICOH Accounts Payable for Small Business. RICOH Accounts Payable for Small Business is a cloud-based solution that increases productivity for your accounts payable department. RICOH Accounts Payable for Small Business has 3 different ways to streamline the input process. An invoice can be scanned using the ICE app on a RICOH MFP to be outputted to the invoice processing queue of the cloud application. A file can be uploaded through a local or network drive, as well as a file can be uploaded to RICOH Accounts Payable for Small Business through cloud storage. This means RICOH Accounts Payable for Small Business does not require a RICOH MFP. After the file is uploaded to RICOH Accounts Payable for Small Business and process has been selected, OCR is performed and the appropriate fields are filled in automatically. To ensure the proper fields have been filled in with the proper information, there is a verification process that occurs next. If any edits are needed, select the field that needs to be edited and then select the corresponding field on the invoice. The field should now be updated with the correct information, and the software learns where that field or fields are located the next time that a similar invoice is scanned. Once satisfied with your edits, post the invoice to your bookkeeping software. RICOH Accounts Payable for Small Business. An affordable way to streamline the invoice processing workflow within accounts payable.